Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake Bitcoin on Binance to earn daily profit. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So this video is for educational purpose only. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to earn daily profit or interest on Binance by staking your Bitcoin, so watch this video till the end. So in here, I will show you step by step how to stake Bitcoin on Binance. If you are using Binance or any other exchange wallet, I suggest you to till the time that market is getting stable, so you have to stake your coins in order to earn profit. Right now in here, I will open my browser. If we should check the Bitcoin price, today is 15 September 2021, and if we should check the Bitcoin price is one single Bitcoin price is $47,591, and the market cap is 2,142,000,000,000. So here is the exchanges cryptos. If you want to check cryptocurrency prices on the internet, so navigate to CoinMarketCap and check here. Right now, sign in with your Binance regular account, or also if you want to stake your Bitcoin, click on the finance and click on the Binance earn. Here is scroll down. Once this window opened, you can see that there are 5 categories, also 5 kinds of stacking. Here is savings, locked stacking, launch pool, BNB vault, and Ethereum 2.0 stacking. So I want to stake my Bitcoin on my Binance. So here is the view more option. Simply click on that. Once this window opened, there are 3 categories like flexible savings, locked savings, and activities. So if you want to lock your coins, also this is part of the staking coins on Binance. So right now I want to stake my Bitcoin on Binance. So here you can see right now you can stake the 122 flexible savings products are available in the flexible category. So if you want to stake Bitcoin, so simply click on the subscribe button. Here you can see the subscription amount. I will click on the max option, and here is the value date 15/9/2021, the day that you want to stake your Bitcoin is appearing here and with the time. And here is the flexible interest per thousand is the 0.01 Bitcoin, and here is the maximum subscription. You can stake up to 5 Bitcoin on Binance. If you check the estimated annual yield is BTC 0.50%, they are giving interest or profit to you. If you want to agree with this subscription, you can click on read and I agree to Binance Savings Service Agreement. Click on the confirm option. Here you can see subscription success. Right now go back to the Binance. If you want to check that whether your coin is staked on Binance or no, click on the wallet option and click on earn option. Here you can see that savings. Right now you can see that the amount of Bitcoin that I've here is 0.01. The amount is $511, and here you can check out the flexible savings, the total amount, the accruing interest, today's subscription, redeeming cumulative interest, estimated annual yield, and operation. If you want to unstake your Bitcoin, simply you can click on the redeem option. The interest or profit that you are earning daily, that will be appear here. and you can count that daily, monthly, and up to 60 days. So guys, this is the method that you can trust. You can earn daily profit by staking your Bitcoin on Binance. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and keep supporting us by subscribing the channel. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.